kumpanya mga guys.
Pakai sintang kag nambang.
Hoy mga guys, ay kumpanya mambo.
Katong ka di pa kacil pini ka pa kan?
Nyok.
Mingosa ni kali ka pa kan? May pa ulan na bujwa ta siya na kan?
Ah, wow.
Tumari pa kacil. Sana gua na konti kuliah. Agak gitu. Neng kau mas na.
Ini enggak kapila kan?
And one of our witnesses, Honorable Barangay Kagawad Salungas Taban, and Honorable Barangay Kagawad Peter Sinubang. Okay, and to Zainuddin ating alkari. Okay. Kagita ko rito na niya din sukrong tanong sa pulo na stage niya, masikan makarwal ko so microphone siya. Wala makasagot. Guwapo sa kanilang mga away. Once again, please help me welcome Dato Alraof Osman. Palakpakan po ulit. Okay, let's show our appreciation for him and all that it brings to our very handsome Dato Rason Ismael. Palakpakan po natin. Basta mga guwapo, mga groomsmen namin yan, ha? Sali ka na sa mga guwapo. Okay, next. The best man is not just right now. We are family close, confident, and supporting technology, taking up as criminology. Please help me welcome to our best man for the day, Dato Amir Kanakan. Palakpakan po natin ang guwapo nating best man. Okay, once again, please help me welcome to our best the group. The one of the parents' dream is to see the wedding of their children. I am sure our couple parents, the group, Honorable Barangay Kagawad, Dato Salonga Sapal, the uncle, with wife Farida Sapal, the mother, together, our handsome group. Okay, na.
Kagadalo, matay ko sa nisa.
Bato kung ikaw.
Okay, tuloy. Here, once again, the parents of the group, Honorable Barangay Kagawad, Dato handsome groom of the day, the prince, the Adonis, Dato Farhan Sapal Dandang. After nag-groom yung parents ng bride, ha? Parents ng bride after the groom. Okay, once again, our prince, the Adonis, the groom, Dato Farhan Sapal Dandang. Okay, ready na po yung parents of the bride? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, it is with a great pleasure that we welcome and honor to the parents of the bride. Please join me in showing our heartfelt appreciation for their love and guidance as they witness this momentous milestone in their daughter's life. Let's give a round of applause to Dato Ryan Panambulan, the uncle, and with by Kunding Limpangan, the aunt. Dato Ryan Panambulan, the uncle, with by Kunding Limpangan, the aunt. Palakpakan po natin sila. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Ismael Caparante. Dalo si Carlos.
Okay, thank you.
Ismael Caparante, mambo. Ay.
Miss DJ requests at 21 years of age. She was born on February 8, 2003. Ladies and gentlemen, as the bride enters, as she walks and looks absolutely gorgeous, her beauty truly light up the room and adds to the magic of this day. Please help me welcome to the beautiful bride as she begins this chapter of her life, no other than Princess Narhasa Mandig Limpangan. Palakpakan po natin, bigyan po siya ng masigabong palakpakan. Wala po ba tayong mga kamay para magpalakpak? Okay, salamat.
Ando na na.
Kanina pa kasi ako nagsasabi ng palakpakan eh.
Saan anda?
Okay, once
بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلله فلا هادي له أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له أشهد أن محمدا